Hello everyone, Sticky Toffee, the famous British dessert. Sticky Toffee, one of the most famous dessert in England. Really tasty. You can serve with ice cream, hot and cold, with amazing toffee sauce. You can see how it's delicious just from the video. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I promise you all dessert you want in the world. I prepare it for you. Very easy and very smooth with little steps. Let's start. 230 gram dates without seed, 250 boiling water, 1 tea bag. The tea bag is really nice to give aroma and flavor to the dates. You can avoid it if you want, but I recommend it. So 230 gram of dates without seed, 250 milli of hot boiling water, 2 gram of baking soda together. You can see the rest. I put 2 gram baking powder, 2 gram Nescafe, and then the rest 45 gram. After 2 hours, this is very important, I squeeze the tea bag to take the aroma. I squeeze only and I strain the water. But the whole quantity of water, I will add it to the dates. Just dates to be soft. After that, I added the whole quantity of the boiling water just to make it soft and smoothie. Then I added the rest of ingredients. I bring the side just to make sure that all is smooth and becomes a paste. Then I can add little of the water, little by little, batch by batch, until the whole water is dissolved. Because the boiling water is the part of the recipe. You can see after that I added 45 gram of butter, which make the dates paste more rich. Then I added brown sugar, 60 gram of brown sugar, which make it so delicious. And then 2 eggs. And then baking powder, Nescafe, and the flour. So the whole ingredients: 180 gram flour, pinch of salt, 2 gram of baking powder, 60 gram of brown sugar, pinch of vanilla, 45 gram of butter, 2 eggs, and that's it. I will write the whole ingredients in description box below. You can see I added water, the whole quantity of water, and it becomes so smooth, so delicious. You can add it to silicone mold or aluminum cup. I have aluminum cup. I oil spray. Then you can put in any shape you want. 160, 75 or 76. It takes 26 to 30 minutes, and that's it. Now we have toffee sauce, 100 gram brown sugar, 40 gram of butter, 100 gram fresh cream, 1 gram of cardamom, 1 gram of sea salt. This toffee, I already make one video, 4 type of toffee caramel. You can find in description box below also. You know, the brown sugar is so easy to caramelize, and also the flavor is so good. You can see when it's melting, becomes caramel. I keep stir the sugar until all dissolved and all melted. Here we are. When I have dark brown caramel, I added 40 gram of butter, and then I mix it all until the butter melted. Then I added pinch of salt because I need strong sea salt, 100 milli of fresh cream. I keep stirring the whole toffee until dissolve and becomes very tasty caramel, and finally I added the cardamom. Here we go, pinch of cardamom, and I keep stirring with the sauce, and now I have really tasty cardamom toffee sauce. You can see it becomes very sticky. That's why they call it sticky. Here we go. My dates is ready. It takes 25 to 30 minutes. It's a depend about the oven. Here the final time I have ready. I adjust the extra from the aluminum cup. You can use any shape, any mold you want. And then I serve with caramel toffee sauce. It's really delicious. The taste, the aroma, the flavor, you will be crazy if you try this one. Now, I love to serve it with vanilla ice cream, which make a really nice combination. You can taste with the caramel sauce alone. It's so tasty. Or you can serve it with beautiful vanilla ice cream. Normally in my menu, in my restaurant, I serve with vanilla ice cream. But I added ice cream first, and then I cover it with the beautiful toffee sauce. Hot and cold is really good combination. Beautiful. Thanks for being in my channel. I hope you enjoy. Please leave us a comment and tell us what you like about our videos. Thank you so much, Ahmed Younes.